Now let's know about stem. Stem is the green or brownish part of the plant which grows above the ground. It provides support to the plant and bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits on its body. In young plants, the color of the stem is usually green, but over a period of time and with advancing age, it turns brown in color. Some trees, like banyan and mango, have hard, strong and brown stem. It's called trunk, whereas some trees, such as banana, has a thick but soft and green stem. In some plants, the stems are so weak that they cannot hold the plant upright. Such plant climbs with the help of a support, so they are called climbers. Money plant is the best example of this kind.